Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video I'm going to fix this laptop. This is Acer Aspire 1 laptop, and this laptop problem, it's turning on but no bootable device. Look at that, no bootable device. So I've already tried to install Windows from bootable USB, but it does not show any SSD. So let me show you inside the BIOS menu. So I'm turning on again, and press F2, and as you can see here, there is no SSD, and unfortunately this model does not support any external SSD or HDD. So now I'm going to fix this laptop. Okay, as you can see, this is the motherboard. This is the motherboard part number, and look at here. Over here, this is a little eMMC solder on this motherboard, and as you can see, this motherboard doesn't any option for external SSD or HDD. As you can see, it's blank totally, and I already check all the required voltage and signal for this eMMC. All voltage and signal are present, so either this eMMC bad or the CPU bad. So first of all, I will replace the eMMC. I have already taken out from another motherboard, and now I will reball this chip and replace, then I will check. So first of all, I will reball this chip because I have taken out from another motherboard. So as you can see, all the ball has been destroyed. So let's reball this chip first. Okay, this is the universal XINZHIZAO. So now I'm going to reball this chip. Okay, the reball is done. Now it's time to replace. Okay, nicely melted. So everything is done. Now it's time to check. It's plugged in. Turning on. Press F2 to enter the BIOS. And now, as you can see, eMMC model, this one. So now I will try to install Windows. It's plugged in. Press F12 to boot. I need to change some settings inside BIOS menu. I need to disable this. So as you can see, now it's detect eMMC. It's a 32 gigabyte. So now I'm going to delete this partition first. So let me create the partition. Nice. So as you can see, now I'm able to install Windows in this laptop. So as you can see, Windows has completed without any issues. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, so please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. If you already subscribed my channel, thank you so much.